Hello, this is Jason, and I'm gonna take a little flight here at the beach.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
And let's go see how the beach is looking today. And I drove halfway down here, halfway down to, like, you can see the Lady Buddha over there. So I'm a little farther down the beach than I normally am. So since we haven't really seen this area, we can go down here first. And I'm like in this square area. They got like some Happy New Year decorations up. Beautiful day out. You see what the temperature is. 77. Warm and beautiful. Not too hot, not too cold. Just right. Fly over towards the mountains. You get beach, you get mountains, you get city. Da Nang's got it all. And then once you get down here towards the end is where all the fishermen are. You see these little round boats they go out and fish on. Let's go down here until see them. Ocean's pretty calm today. Dip down a little lower. All right, we're getting weak signal. Gotta get up higher if we're gonna make it. I think this is about as far as we can go. Oh, there we go. If I point in the direction of the drone, we'll go a little farther. I'm over a mile away from where I took off. Flying at 292 feet. Alright, that's about as far as I can go. Let's fly out. Here we go. It's a nice city and beach view. Smoke going on over there or something. You do see random people burning stuff. Just like trash cans out in front of their businesses. Pretty long beach. Looks like we got a little bit of smog. Nothing compared to like Bangkok or Ho Chi Minh or Hanoi. But there's a little pollution. Let's see if we can get a little lower. Aircraft in warning zone, it says.
Anh Hoàng ơi, bỏ đâu?
Let's fly down the beach a little further. That's where I am right now. It's like plaza. I'm sitting right by those flowers. Square. So now I should be able to go fly like a mile in the other direction. Get a little bit closer to the beach. Fun bow guy. A swimming area. Pretty high tide. Not too much beach showing. And let's go up higher. We're getting weak signal. Very pretty. So coming up on the area where I'm staying, and we're over a mile down away from where I'm at now. A mile and a half. Starting to get a little weaker signal. Turn sideways. That's the Ocean Beach Hotel, I think it's called. And then my hotel is right there. I can't really get closer. I'm losing signal. All right, trying to turn back. Very cool. Got about 56% battery left. And fly lower as I get closer when I can. It's a nice way to go out to the beach and sightsee. Take a little flight. Almost back. 3,000 feet away. See this other little square here. And then I'm gonna go over here. Show you this area. This is where all the restaurants are and stuff. Brewing company. Seafood place. There's the Esco Beach Bar. And then East West Brewing is right there. And then you got this volleyball area. And then this little square. This is Pink Beach place. They have DJs and stuff out there. And then I am right here. Baby. And there we go. So that's all I got for this flight beach tour. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you later. Take it easy.